Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, here is a review of the Sharpie paint marker in black. But before we get started, consider hitting that like button, ring that bell, and leaving a comment. So, let's get to it. So this isn't going to be a long video, but this Sharpie marker that actually has some acrylic paint inside was fairly smooth to spread out. And I decided to use a watercolor paper because I wanted it to absorb very well and I did not want it to bleed through. Because if you guys didn't realize, if you use cheap paper or anything like basic copy paper or printer paper, it will seep through, it will tear. So I wanted something thick, and watercolor paper did the job pretty well. And the first thing you have to do is that you have to keep pressing down until the ink gets into the tip of the marker. So you had to do it several times in order for it to come out. And what I decided to just practice doing was drawing some Mexican conchas, and these are Mexican sweetbread or pan dulce. Now, Mexican sweetbread, in particular, these concha breads, I did a variety of them. I just wanted to draw something fun and outline them in black, just so that later on, eventually, if I wanted to do some watercolor paint on top of them, it'd be fairly easy. But yeah, I decided to just kind of doodle with these sweetbread designs, and so far it was super smooth. I like the way that it flowed. I like the rich dark pigment, the paint, and I can actually see myself correcting a lot of paintings if I need to do something with a sharp line or sharp outline with black. And I was trying out different types of shapes, different patterns, and it worked fairly well. And it even dried pretty quickly. And for the ending of the video, I even tried it with another type of thick watercolor paper, and I drew a concha, but in my style of these chibi characters that I have that have bulging eyes and angry eyebrows on them. I honestly just wanted to buy this just to see what it was, to see if I have any use for it, and I do see some uses for it. Not sure if I'll ever really buy different colors, but I can see this working very well if you wanted to custom draw on your shoes and doodle on shoes with different materials. That's something that I can see people doing. But yeah, comment down below what you think, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.